We have a problem. According to the Australian Bureau of Statistics, as of January 2014, there were 13.9 million motor vehicles registered in Australia that run off petrol. Burning fuel inside a petrol combustion engine creates three things: energy to make the car move, heat, and waste products. One in particular has been steadily increasing since the Industrial Revolution, commonly known as carbon dioxide. It is a noxious gas that destroys the environment. Road transport accounts for 13.2% of Australia's total greenhouse gases. So, how do we fix this? Luckily, there is a solution. Let me introduce the Vodium, a saltwater driven vehicle that operates using osmotic power, an emission-free form of transport. So, how does this technology work? It requires two tanks, one rich with electrolytes and one electrolyte poor. These two liquids pass through a membrane in which diffusion occurs. The transfer from high to low concentration through the membrane causes an electrical charge that powers the motors on board the vehicle. This technology could wipe out emissions Australia-wide. So where does this great idea begin? Vodium is very fortunate, as this idea will cultivate at the existing Ford factory in Broadmeadows. The land will be split into 4 sections, 2 of which will be where the cars are produced. Research and development will occur in the third, and the last section will be the sales centre for the new vehicles. The massive block of land is already filled with facilities that accommodate vehicle production. Machines used inside the factory may only need to be repurposed for Vodium production. So, when will all of this occur? In October 2016, the Ford plant will close. Factory renovation will begin in 2017. As a lot of the machines will only need to be repurposed and existing factories can be used, production time is assumed to take only 2 years. Therefore, by 2019, production of the Vodium will begin. However, to be safe and give a margin for error, the sales centre will be open by 2020. As well as the technological upgrades associated with the car itself, this project yields many benefits. It will provide jobs for the current Ford workers for the future. For the community, it will save people income by effectively killing running costs of cars such as petrol. And finally, it will help save the environment through an emission-free form of transportation. This will be a privately funded project run by Vodium. As it is a new company starting up, it will require some help from investors. These will help strengthen its infrastructure. One of Vodium's goals is to provide emission-free cars to all of Victoria's politicians. Through state government assistance, this goal can be achieved.